Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be showing you a foot peel video again, and today for this video I have got this super peeling liquid which is from this brand called Tony Moly, and they are this brand has just been introduced in India by this website called Nykaa, and I'm going to leave the product link in the description box below. I wanted to review this, and the super exciting part about this video is going to be I am going to be showing you the entire procedure in magnification and 1000 magnification, guys. And we all have dead skin cells accumulation on our foot, especially on our foot. Because of that we get cracked heels and the feet become all dirty and bad. I hate it so much, so I thought that I'm gonna try it out and I'll show you what I think about it. So this is gonna be the day one, and after 3 to 5 days the skin is gonna start peeling off. I'll document everything to show you guys, and let's not talk any further and quickly dive into the video.
So guys, this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a super peeling liquid which comes in this shape, and the second one is the bag, and the third one is the foot cream which you apply in the end. And my heels were in pretty bad shape, as you guys can see. It was at the verge of getting cracked heels. After that I took the liquid. I have already worn the bag and I put the liquid inside, and in the beginning you are not going to feel anything at all, but as the time passes by, the little bit of burning sensation, something you're going to feel. I left it for 90 minutes, guys. You can keep it for 60 to 90 minutes, but I gave it the time and I kept it for 90 minutes. And after that, guys, I took it off because I could feel my feet burning a little, just a little, because of the chemical it had. And you won't believe, when I poured the water, I felt that it was very, very hot, but the temperature of the water was normal. This was happening because of the chemical, I suppose. After that I removed the chemical thoroughly, and I waited for almost 9 days, guys. And after 9 days my skin started to peel a little. So guys, on 12th day this is how my feet looked like. And although it is mentioned in the packaging that you should not peel the skin, but I wasn't able to help myself, because I already knew that it's a dead skin and you can take it off, but do not go too further with it because it might cause pain and it might harm your feet as well. So the dirty skin, I took it off. The new skin was coming, which was all bright, beautiful, and it felt like baby soft skin. This is the picture from previous year, guys. This is how the peeling looked like when I did it last year. It was pretty severe than it happened this time. This was a really thin skin, but last time when I did it, it was very, very thick. And I was very, very happy with the kind of the skin which was revealing itself once I was removing the dead skin cell. And this is how my feet look after all the peeling was done. Obviously the tone was improved because the dead skin was off now, and there is no cracked heel to be seen. The feet were very, very beautiful, baby soft, and they were bright, of course. And I guess you can do it once in a while, like once in a year. That is gonna be great. And if you're somebody who's suffering from cracked heels, you can repeat it often. So these are the clip I took, guys, in order to show you how does it look in 1000 magnification. The dirty skin is the skin which was shedding itself, the skin which was peeled off. It's very dirty. It is fungus, or I don't know what this thing is, or it might be dirt. But the other skin, if you'll see, which revealed itself, was super clean, bright, and soft. So you can definitely give this product a try. It's really, really great.
So guys, I am done peeling the skin off, and the only thing I do not like about this product is it takes 20 to 25 days. Like since the first day you initiate this process, it is going to take almost 25 days, guys, till the time every little skin is shed off. And apart from that, the product really works great. If you have patience, then you can still go for this one, and it is gonna make your skin baby soft. I'm guaranteeing you that. Also, I'll leave the product link in the description box below, so yeah, you guys can buy it for yourself. And please make sure that you're following me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. Take a moment, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and this is all, guys. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.